p.m. The counting will be held on 14th December 2020, Monday, from 8 a.m. till counting is complete. As you are aware, with the announcement of election schedule, the model code of conduct comes into force immediately, and it will be in force up to midnight of 14th of December 2020, the date of counting. This is the election schedule. We are going for election to 48 seats. There are total 50 seats, 25 are North Goa and 25 are South Goa. In South Goa, 24 Sankol seat, the member was elected unopposed and the notification has been issued for that. In 16 Navelim, it was countermanded because of the death of one contesting candidate. So polling will be held only in 23 constituencies as far as District South is concerned. This is the schedule. And everything has been done. Everything has been done. Nomination, withdrawal, even contesting candidates. It was, as you are aware, it was postponed on 20th of March. The poll was scheduled to be on 22nd of March. So only one day was in between, 21st.
So they are given extra time or something or nothing? Just a polling day?
Just a polling day. It will be polling day now. That day also only polling day was pending.
But can they campaign now or something like that?
No public campaigning will be permitted because campaigning time had already over when the election was postponed.
What about those political parties having meetings these days?
No, after this, from today onwards, there cannot be public campaigning now. All our flying squads and others, they will be in field immediately.
They can have a campaign on TV or print media, something like that. Through advertisement, they can do campaigning.
You see, public campaigning is not allowed, as I have said. It covers everything. It covers everything.
Even TV, they cannot allow.
Obviously, that is public campaigning only.
Where is the counting?
Moreover, they have to, for everything they have to apply to the returning officer. Once campaigning is over, then they are not going to give any permission for that.
Where is the counting will take place? Counting will take place.
At different places, there are counting centers. Counting will take place. I think there are 15? 15 counting centers.
Counting will be on ballot paper or counting will be on ballot paper?
Yes.
It is ballot paper.
Voting is ballot paper.
Voting.
Voting will be on ballot papers.
Can you tell the centers of counting?
That we will provide you. Afterward, because 15 is the list, we will provide you the list. No issue.
What are the arrangements that you have made when you talk about social distancing and everything?
That we will see the whatsoever are the as far as COVID is concerned, all the parameters, all the SOPs which have been issued by the Ministry of Health and Family Welfare, we are going to adopt that. That you all are all aware. Some of you are not having this mask. You should have put it. So in polling day, people will be coming in the mask. They will maintain a distance of 6 feet. Then there will be sanitizers and proper washing of the hands. All those things will be taken care of by the returning officer.
If anybody comes
Detailed.
voting,
Once, if you come without mask before reaching to polling station, you will be fined 200 rupees. If you are not allowed to come out of your house without mask.
But how you will verify during time of voting?
What? No, we will not allow people without mask. No? They have to come with mask.
Voting, how you will verify?
How will you verify the face?
आइडेंटिफाई के लिए दैट अरेंजमेंट वी विल मेक. थोड़ी देर के लिए जैसे आप मुझे आइडेंटिफाई कर लीजिए. अगेन इट विल टेक. ओके. Polling officers. Positive. We will allow them voting, but it will be in the last hour of the polling.
So those who are home isolation, opted for home isolation, the COVID positive, they are going to allow for the voting
Yes.
during the last
Last hour of the polling.
How you will take the
That precautions we will discuss and follow. Whatsoever Election Commission of India has already conducted the election in Bihar. Those instructions we are going to follow. This.
polling booth agents or everybody, they have to wear a PPE kit that time.
No.
That we will see, because you see, let me tell you, as far as position of COVID is concerned, now Goa is quite comfortable. As on yesterday, there were around 1300 plus positive cases. So we have around 1200 polling stations. So one person per polling station comes average. So that it is quite possible that people are in hospitals also, there are in municipal areas also. Even less than that, people will be in the village area. So it is not going to be any challenge for us to take care of 1 person or 2 person per polling station. That we will see. All the precautions will be taken so that they don't transmit COVID to any other person.
The time limit will be okay for this because they are going to take some time.
No, it will be okay because number of polling stations is almost 1200 and the total vote is less than 8 lakhs. So average it comes to be around 800 something per polling station. So it is not going to give any you can say challenge to us as far as polling is. Time is
there any
sufficient.
difference between the polling station during the last election when they were proposed and now? Have you
You
increased
see,
anything?
generally the polling stations are the same which were in the last time,
Yeah.
but there could be some changes, which
But,
details
you
I
have
am not having
increased
as on
any
today.
right now. You have not increased any polling
No
station.
increase in the polling station.
The polling stations we increase if number of voters increase.
Yeah.
Okay.
But this time there is a COVID, no? So you have to.
So the number of voters per polling station has been reduced already.
700.
It means they might have taken this care of this number of voters. In Bihar it was 1000 per vote polling station.
700.
Here it is coming out to less than 800.
Sir, what
How
about
you
the
have taken care
sanitization?
that no untoward incidents take place?
No.
Even illegalities, how you have taken care that no illegalities or untoward incidents takes place? Because there has been a huge gap, and suddenly since you have announced today,
No. What type of illegality you feel? All arrangements are in place. All the officers are in place. I have discussed with police authorities and civil authorities, both the collectors. They are confident. Everything is in place.
क्योंकि suddenly अभी कारोबार हुआ
No, it is not sudden. It is not. People were expecting. You see, election has to be conducted in this year itself.
Sir, suddenly last few days that the minister insulted 12th January.
No. It is. You see, night is 12th December.
So what about
Okay,
the safety
minister
measures?
ने confusion किया.
Safety measures about after voting a person, what sanitization? What will you do?
Voting, no sanitation, nothing. You go and vote.
What about that ink being?
Then that is it.
No, indelible ink will be put. That will be put.
Sir, model code of conduct for entire state or this thing for the municipal?
You see, elections are for Jilla Panchayat. So generally, model of conduct is for those areas where election is taking place.
Not for the municipality.
Obviously, it is for Jilla Panchayat, so it should be for Jilla Panchayat. Unopposed seat.
Sankale.
That is Sankulam 20. I think that is this 24.
Sankale. Mormukal.
No.
Yes, Sankale.
Any?
Sensitive booths are voted.
Yes.
There are 10 sensitive booths where proper police arrangement will be made.
Additional police force or something like that?
Which area, sir?
That is going to you.
That they will give you information, the
Will give
exact
information.
number of polling stations. Whatever you will require, they will provide you.
So you said that one death was taken place. of
Yes,
one
now
person.
Yes.
now
So what happened? What's the procedure for them?
Count to mandate.
This election has been countermanded as per rules. So now fresh date will be given for that. We will take action as per the election conduct rules for that seat.
So new candidate can.
Naturally, people can nomination will be invited for that.
Sort of a by-election.
Yes.
Yes.
Fresh by elections.
Supporters will be allowed on the counting day.
Huh?
Supporters.
No.
No. Supporter is not. Counting day, it is a counting agent.
The postal ballot already.
Yes.
Postal ballot already given to the people जो election duty पे.
They already voted.
Hmm.
Some of them already.
Some of the voted.
But as per election commission guidelines,
Huh?
as per election commission guidelines, due to COVID, they also allow the person who is as age more than 80 years, they should allow the postal ballot.
No. That thing you have to make the rules for that. The rules are not made for that. These are the proposals. As far as our Jila Panchayat is concerned, there is no such rule to allow those people. That could be for future elections.
So what do you think, so that the state election commission should have given additional time for the candidate, at least to get themselves prepared?
Because
Why I'm saying is because in the last few days, last few months, there have been discussion on these dates. It could have been December, in January, earlier before that, and the candidates themselves were in some guess, like they were unaware when it could happen, and suddenly now today is 6 days.
already a week is there. Today is 5th, 12th is the election day. 1 week is there. 1 week.
So there was a petition filed in the High Court.
That we will reply. We will reply to the court. We will reply to. You see, we are in an extraordinary situation. This is not a normal situation. When the rules were made, no one thought of this pandemic is going to happen, and so super spreader disease is going to come. So you have to act as per circumstances.
So any decision.
That we will discuss someday. Today is only to announce the schedule. I think if no other questions, I would request you.
We can say that last 1 hour will be allowed to those who are
Not a home isolate. I am saying COVID positive patients, voters will be allowed to vote in the last hour of the
4
polling.
PM to 5 PM.
4 p.m. to 5 p.m.
Sir, जो patient hospital में है,
I can't say anything. It is his prerogative. We are saying a COVID positive patients, that Directorate of Health Services, they have to see whether he is fit to go there, whether he should be allowed to go, because his health is more important. Okay? That is a personal decision of the person.
So can I get the name, sir?
Name of the officers, our secretary to the commission, Mr. Melvin Vaz, officers on special duty, Mr. Durga Prasad ji, Director Planning, Ashutosh Apte ji, additional IG Prisons, Mr. Brajesh Manekar, he is State Registrar and Head of Notaries. And our Mr. Sagar, he is the Assistant Director for IT. The whole IT management of the commission is taken care of by him.
साडी शॉपिंग करपाक आता बेळगांव वचपाची गरज ना. पणजीतल्या बॉम्बे बाजारात तुमका दर्जेदार प्रकारच्या साड्यो खरेदी करपाक मेळटा. नवीन व्हंकलेक नववारी असो किंवा उत्तर भारतीय लेहंगा, सिल्क साडी किंवा कॉटन साडी, तुमची पसंत आणि आमचे कलेक्शन. साडी स्वतः खातीर खरेदी करा किंवा गिफ्ट करा. बॉम्बे बाजार, 18 जेल रोड, पणजी.